the micrometer screw gauge. So if this is the micrometer screw gauge, the question is saying the thing that you need to understand about the micrometer screw gauge is this. Number one, the micrometer screw gauge is in this format. We have a ratchet here. So this ratchet, it is used for adjustment, okay? So the adjustment, then we have got two scales. We have got two scales. If we have got 0 here, there's another one. 1, 2, 3, okay. Then 4, we have another mark in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me say this is 10 and this is 20. So this has got two scales. This scale here, it is known as the main scale, all right? Then we have got here, this scale is called the circular scale. So how do you get the reading? You need to find the main scale first. How do you get the main scale? You first count, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how do you count these which are down? 0, between 0 and 1, if this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Between 0 and 1, which one is between? 0.5. So 0, 0.5, 1. Between 1 and 2, what's between? 1.5. So 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, and 4.5. So this is called for, the reading here is 4.5, all right, millimeters. Then you go to the circular scale. The circular scale, you identify the line which is horizontal here, touching, coming from the main scale. So if this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, okay, it's on 15. So what do? When you get your answer here, which is straight, you multiply it with the accuracy 0.01. So we have found this 15 here, right? We're going to say 15 times 0.01, we get 0.15 millimeters. That's the circular scale, 0.15 millimeters. What do? We add 6.4 millimeters. So if they ask you, what physical quantity does this device measure? The physical quantity which is measured by this device is length. Explain the physical quantity that this device measures. It is length. So length, it measures this. If they ask you what type of length, that's when you can say now, okay, it can measure the thickness of paper. It can measure the thickness of a razor. This is the micrometer screw gauge. All right, so if you want to answer this question here, how do you count? 0, between 0 and 1, there is 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, and 4.5. So we'll say the main scale is equals to 4.5 units, we say millimeters. Then we go to the circular scale, the line which is straight here. So if this is 30, this is what? 31. So we have found this 31, where it is straight. 31 you multiply with the accuracy 0.01, what do you get? 0.31 millimeters. That's your circular scale, which is 0.31 millimeters. What do? You add. Here I've got 1, here 8, here I've got 4 millimeters. So the reading, you now put it here, you say 4.81 millimeters. Okay. Then the next question saying, what physical quantity is measured by the instrument? So the physical quantity measured by this instrument is length. What is the function of the ratchet? Here we said the ratchet is used for the adjustment of reading, right? The adjustment of the scale. It is used to adjust or to check